everyone, this is Sheila Sabin Matre, and today I'm going to present before you a very interesting pick a card reading. The topic for today is what is your life purpose? Yes, many of you had requested me to do this video, so I am doing this particular video. Do like my channel and subscribe to it to receive more such videos on your timeline. Also, please understand this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave what does not. I do read your comments, so please do write in the comment section what resonated with you, what did not. Also, I have segregated the videos into different playlists for you to find the rituals pretty easily. So do go through the playlist option on the channel so that you can find the rituals that you need to do easily. Alright, so let's begin. This is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. Alright, so just breathe deeply, inhale, exhale. Now choose a pile that completely attracts you. If you need to choose 2 piles, you can do that as well. Alright, so I hope you have chosen your pile. Now this is a timeless reading, so whenever you find this particular video, that is the time you should it's completely applicable to you. I will also be picking doing the angel number readings for all of you, so it will give us more insights as to what the angels want you to tell you about your life purpose. Alright, so let's begin. Hello group number 1. So this is your pile. So first and foremost, you have chosen this beautiful white angel. So definitely your life purpose involves bringing in light into this world. Your life purpose also involves using your intuition. Also you would be bringing in a lot of peace, a lot of healing into this world. Okay, so definitely your life purpose is to bring a lot of light, lot of happiness, lot of helping people out through your intuition is what I'm strongly getting. So let's keep your beautiful angel over here. Okay, so you can also see your angel, and let's see what cards you have got. Books. So first card that you have got is books, and it clearly says that your life purpose involves writing, reading, editing or selling books. Okay, the second card is infinite abundance. Then we have recovery, so healing I said. We also have self-forgiveness. Okay, we have rest and rejuvenation. We have let go. We have ear chakras, travel, oracle cards, throat chakra, and then we have your 2 cards, which are King of Cups and Death card. So don't worry when you see the Death card. Please do not worry. It is nothing to worry about at all. Okay, so now let's see. So the first thing that I'm getting very strongly for this particular group is that your life purpose definitely involves listening and speaking. That is communication. Communication is very key part of what you do. Okay, so definitely any kind of communication is the main life purpose of this particular group. All right, now let's get into details. Okay, also what I'm seeing is that this particular group has undergone a lot of hardships in their life, and that is the precise reason you guys are very emotionally matured. I also see that you guys have been guided by a very emotionally matured man. Okay, maybe in the form of a father, a brother or a boss or a friend. Okay, so this particular man has or maybe a husband. Okay, so this particular man has really helped you in understanding yourself and understanding your life purpose. Okay, also as I said, this death card is very clearly telling me that your life purpose involves healing. Okay, so this particular group, if you are a doctor, a psychiatrist, if you are into any kind of, if you work in a pharma company, so no wonder you have picked this pile up. Okay, the recovery card also is telling me, as I said, that before I picked, when I saw your angel, I said that you're meant to bring light into this world. So this particular card, the rest and rejuvenation and the recovery card, is very very clearly telling me that this particular group, okay, is into healing. All right, also you guys have a very very strong intuition, so some of you would be doing divination through oracle cards. Also I feel that this particular group, okay, whatever your life purpose is, you're going to receive a lot of money through your life purpose. So please follow your life purpose, because what is happening is you tend to doubt it. Okay, I can clearly see from your cards you doubt yourself, because you've gone through so much in life that your confidence has gotten a bit shaked. It is not strong, okay, is what I'm getting very clearly. Also the angels are telling you that you need to let go of all the past baggages, okay, very very clearly. I also see that some of you, your life purpose would be into finance. It would be into banking, finance, insurance, some sort of money related work is what I'm seeing. Okay, but whatever your career you have chosen, okay, the crux is communication, very clearly. Okay, also I see that you guys love to travel. Okay, you love being on social media. I'm also seeing that you guys really enjoy interacting with people. So definitely you should just take what is good in them and let go of what is not good in them. All right, also what I see is some of your life purpose would also involve your work will take you to a lot of places. You'll be traveling extensively for work. Okay, yes, what else I'm getting from this particular group is that you are very very emotionally matured. Okay, the kind of advice you give to others really uplifts them. Okay, you are very good counselors. People come to you, they speak to you, and they feel so light, and they always tell you that how come you always say the right things. Okay, so this particular group is very very good in bringing in that peace and harmony through their words. All right, so you should definitely explore that. All right, what else I'm seeing for group number 1? Stop doubting yourself. You tend to doubt yourself. You also tend to always blame yourself for things which you have not done. Also you need to stop taking in other people's energies. Okay, since your life purpose involves communication, definitely what is communication at the end of the day is it is exchange of thoughts, ideas, words. However, if you keep on taking in other people's energies, okay, it's just not going to help you at any level. Also there's a book. If you're not yet written a book, there is a book waiting to be written. So please take that paper and pen, or just open your laptop and start typing that book out. Okay, because that book is going to bring in a lot of healing. Okay, healing to lot many people. All right, what else I'm getting? So also I feel that this particular group, some of you, okay, would be involved into travel business. Okay, so travel business would also mean airlines, it would mean Uber, Ola, or transportation. Okay, is what also I'm getting. What else? Also this particular group, okay, what I'm getting is it's a very intellectual group. Okay, you like to read motivational stuff. When I say intellectual, it is more towards emotional intelligence. Okay, and what else I'm getting? People look up to you guys, very clearly. People look up to you. If there is any problem, you are the first person whom they will call to get ideas, to seek counsel. All right, yes, this is what I'm getting for group number 1. So the key life purpose for this particular group is communication, healing. See, healing can be via counseling. Healing can be a psychiatrist, a psychologist, counseling. What else I said? Banking, finance, books, travel, tourism is the life purpose that I am getting for this particular group. Okay, so lovely group number 1. Now let's see what your angel numbers are telling. Okay, what message your angel numbers are giving you. So let's see what your angel numbers are saying. Okay, so you have got the number 4 and 6. Okay, which means that there are millions of angels who are supporting you. Okay, and no wonder, because the angels want to help everyone to solve their problems, and they want to help everyone with their issues that they're facing. Also, they're telling you that you're worried, okay, to take on your life purpose full-fledged. Okay, some of you would be thinking about starting a business, but you're worried, that what if your business doesn't go really well. So the angels are telling you not to be worried about money is definitely coming to you, because we saw the infinite abundance card as well. And this particular number is also very clearly saying that your material needs will be met. What they're saying is that maybe you can start side by side your business ideas if you're not already following your life purpose. So definitely group number 1, your life purpose is communication, no doubt about it. Okay, so explore it. Okay, do not doubt it. All right, and if you like this video, if you like what I said, do write in the comment section what resonated with you. Also do write to me what new topic would you like me to do a pick a card reading. All right, thank you group number 1. So all those who are chosen pile number 2, this is your reading. So you chosen this beautiful yellow angel. Okay, so definitely I would say that this particular group, your life purpose involves power. Okay, power, corporate. You are a very intelligent pile. Okay, all those are chosen pile number 2. You're very, very intelligent. Okay, so definitely your life purpose involves ideas. Because of your exceptionally smart brain. Okay, you're able to give ideas to people. You give ideas to them, and they're able to come out of their issues. Okay, like business issues. Okay, now when I say smart and intelligent, do not confuse it with somebody who has got very high degree of education. Of course, many of you would be having an educational degree, no doubt about it. But what I am seeing is that this particular pile, okay, you guys have gathered knowledge, okay, via experience is what I am getting for this particular pile. So I'll keep your beautiful angel over here. All right, and now let's see what cards you have picked. Okay, so we have Queen of Wands. We have the Emperor. I told you, right, that this particular group, I am very clearly feeling you guys do something which is of power. And see, builder, body work, make a wish, opportunity, yoga, fairies, animals, and look over here, solar plexus chakra. So again, no doubt, no wonder you chose, because this particular angel is also yellow in color, and this particular card also says solar plexus chakra. So definitely there's a lot of power over here. Okay, also I'm getting attachment. I'll keep your angel here. Okay, here, let me keep the card first. Okay, and then I'll keep the angel over here. Also workshops, seminars, and vegetarian and vegan. Oh, lovely. So the main crux of your life purpose is okay, power. All right, so definitely you guys are somebody who have a lot of power. Okay, I also feel that your life purpose involves I see acting over here. I also see designing, working with nature. Okay, I'm mostly getting, okay, I'm mostly getting nature. All right, nature. I'm also seeing acting, then I'm seeing food. Yeah, so food is also what I'm getting. Also, I feel that you train people. Okay, you train people to build themselves. Okay, if they are somebody who are not confident or who are lost in some way, you guys help them to find themselves. Okay, so definitely I feel that this particular group life purpose in revolves around teaching, also food, anything and everything to do with environment. Okay, nature, environment. This particular group also has got designers, jewelry designers, or any sort of designers is what I'm getting. Also, you builders. Uh, Also, I feel that this particular group, you guys revolve a lot. Your work, your life purpose revolves a lot around building people. Okay, now when I say building people, it mostly it revolves around building confidence in people. So it can either be, when you if you're a designer and you design a beautiful dress and somebody wears that beautiful dress, they feel confident. Okay, if you're a teacher or a trainer, okay, you conduct workshops and you're helping people. Okay, so that also gives them confidence. If you are a nutritionist, a dietitian, okay, so by giving them the right food, okay, food and the workout, okay, you're also guiding them, to make their body more healthy. So definitely, as I said, you guys love animals, most of you. Okay, because this particular your life purpose is related to earth very clearly. So when your life purpose involves mother nature, okay, it means anything to do with environment. Okay, or what else I'm getting is that at times, see, you guys yourself are not aware of the kind of power you have. Okay, and over the years, the kind of people you have met, okay, they have disappointed you so much that you kind of become cold. Okay, so you need to you need to understand that the ones that you met in the past, okay, they were supposed to help you learn certain lessons, but you need not be cold about, you need not meet everyone with the fear that they are going to hurt you or harm you. Okay, so one thing is very very clear, that this particular group, okay, you are a self-made person. Okay, you have built your life uh, on your own terms and condition. You have reached, you have come far in your life. Okay, also you have a soft corner for animals. I'm getting stray dogs mostly. Okay, also stray dogs, cats. Okay, so what the main life purpose, okay, which you have is around power. Okay, so you need to understand that you need to handle your power very very wisely. All right, so you will have power issues. Okay, either you would have had bad bosses, or parents who were very harsh, who are very strict, very dominating. So since your life purpose revolves around power, okay, you would have faced a lot of issues. You would have bullied, you would have been bullied a lot by other people. But you know what, all the bullying, all the hardships that you have undergone, okay, has made you a very very confident person, okay? You are very assured of yourself, okay? So that's what, you know, your life lesson has been, okay? So definitely what I'm getting is this particular pile would belong to people whose life purpose revolves around nature, environment, actors acting, builders, bodybuilders, food, nutrition, and what else? Power. As I said, power is the crux of the life purpose. Also, some of you would be, you know, your life, since your life purpose involves helping animals, animal communication would be a part of your life purpose of definitely some of you guys, okay? Also, I whatever knowledge that you have gathered, I see you teaching and sharing it with others, okay, through workshops and seminars. So definitely I see you guys mentoring a lot of people, okay? Since you have built your confidence, you're helping other people to build their confidence. The only thing that you need to be careful of is do not get into power game. All right, now let's see what angel numbers, what the angels want to tell you via numbers, okay? Oh, so you got 3 numbers. Lovely. So you have got 2, 3, and 8. Okay, can you see the numbers? 2, 3, and 8. Okay, so these numbers are telling you to have faith. The God, Goddess, and Archangels are supporting you. Also, the number is telling you that yes, you have undergone a lot of hardships, but you're definitely going to come out of it as winners. Okay, also what I see is a lot of abundance, okay, a lot of abundance coming to you. So you need to ensure that you use your powers, your power to help others, okay? So group number 2, if you like your life purpose reading, please do write in the comment section what you resonated with. Also if you want me to do a reading on some topic, please do write that also in the comment section. Also, if I'm saying also so many times, sorry guys. So you know, you can also, again I said also, I'm so sorry for saying that so many times. Do write in the comment section if you like the video. Do like the video and subscribe to my channel. All right guys, so group number 2 and the beautiful angel that you have chosen, which is Archangel Uriel. Okay, so he, you know, because angels don't have a gender. So Archangel Uriel is with you guys, so do take Archangel Uriel's help to understand how to go ahead in your life. All right, group number 2, thank you so much. So group number 3, all those of you who have chosen this beautiful rose quartz angel. So definitely I will say that you're somebody who is meant to bring a lot of love in everybody's life. You know, you're a very loving person. You bring a lot of laughter into other people's life. You know, you also tend to be very you know, very emotional yourself. All right, but yes, I do see a lot of love. You know, your life purpose involves loving, spreading love. Okay, when I say that, I do not mean flirting. Okay, what I mean to say is, you know, bringing love in the most purest form possible. So you kind of teach people what really unconditional love is. Okay, so now let's see what cards you have got. Okay, sacral chakra, see relationships. Okay, heart chakra, oh my god. So see, that's why you were drawn to this rose quartz crystal. Angel, okay. Hostilities, all right. Communicate clearly. Archangel Michael. Angel of love, you have got heart chakra and love, you know, twice. That's so amazing, you know. Leadership, okay. Clairvoyance, teaching, all right. Also healer, music. Oh, this particular group I have drawn a lot of cards. Base chakra, I'll keep it with the heart chakra card. And oh, you have got 3 cards too, tarot cards. So this particular group has got a lot of cards I'm seeing. Okay, so Hanged Man, Chariot, and Two of Pentacles. Okay, so definitely what I'm getting over here is that this particular group, okay, definitely, as I said, your life purpose involves around love. It can be love for the country, love for people, love for children. Okay, so definitely your life purpose clearly involves, around love. Okay, also creativity. I see that this particular group's life purpose also involves creativity. Okay, and I won't be surprised if some of you are doctors. Okay, and your life purpose, you are a surgeon, you're a heart doctor. Okay, I feel, I'm pretty sure that there would be somebody in this particular group who is a doctor, okay, a surgeon, a heart surgeon, and very clearly. Okay, also I feel that some of you from this particular group are into army or police, or because you have drawn this card, okay, of hostilities. Okay, this particular card also, Archangel Michael. Okay, so definitely what I'm getting is that this particular group, okay, would be involved in army or armed forces, okay, or police, security. What else could be anything to do with protection? Okay, very clearly is what I'm getting for this particular group. And even the base chakra, okay, the base chakra is also telling me security. It represents security. So some of you will be into finance as well, but I see that you guys are driven by the emotion of love. Okay, so you would be already in a profession which involves, okay, what you love to do. Okay, also I am seeing that in this particular group there would be teachers. Okay, because again, we had got this particular card of of Archangel Michael. Okay, so Archangel Michael is very firm. Okay, he is his voice is very strong. Okay, so I feel again, and this card is saying that yes, this particular group also has teachers in it, and I see that some of these teachers, if you're not already reached a position of leadership, which is principal, or a head teacher or something, you will eventually go there. Okay, also I feel that this particular group, okay, has more than one life purpose. All right, see, obviously each group would have more than one life purpose. Okay, but always the life purpose revolves around a particular theme. Like group number 1 had a theme of communication, group number 2 had some other theme, and group number 3, your theme is around love, is what I can clearly make out. So yes, this particular group, you guys, you are not assertive, is what I'm getting. You feel, being assertive means being rude or being harsh. So you need to understand that you can be assertive, and at the same time you can be very loving as well. Okay, because of which the angels want you to communicate very clearly. Okay, I hope you can see the cards now. Yeah, so the angels want you to communicate very clearly. So this particular group, you guys are also, some of you are also into healing relationships. So could be a relationship counselor, or for that matter, since this particular card has come and the hostilities card has also come, could be lawyers as well. Okay, so yes, yeah, you guys could be lawyers. Okay, but I feel that you guys, you're very creative. Okay, you always think out of the box. So so any field which is creative is what is meant for you. Okay, also I feel that you love music. Okay, so if you are into composing of music, if you are into sound healing, then I am not surprised that you have chosen this particular group. Okay, you need to understand, guys, since your life purpose involves around love, okay, you would have faced certain challenges in your own love life. Okay, also you would have observed that there are times, you just give and give, and you're not able to receive. Okay, because that's also what I'm seeing. So you need to understand that your life purpose also involves setting boundaries, okay, for other people. Okay, they all need to understand that how they should treat you and how they should not. Okay, so also, this particular group, you do so much for everyone. Okay, you need to somehow calm down. Okay, okay. Also, I feel that this particular group, I will not be surprised if you are a, a healer, okay, and you help people in healing their relationships. Also, I feel that you guys will be working a lot with Goddess Kuan Yin, okay, Goddess Kuan Yin, Archangel Samuel. I think we also got Archangel Samuel's card somewhere over here. I saw that. Okay, all right, we'll see it. Okay, but yes, self love is very, very important for you guys. Since your life purpose involves love, the first lesson, okay, is self love. Okay, the angels will ensure that they teach you the lessons of self love, which means putting yourself first, loving yourself unconditionally, and being there for yourself, basically. Okay, what else I'm getting? You guys love flowers. Okay, you guys just love flowers. Okay, and you guys like all soft things. Okay, you like soft music, you like children, you like pastel colors, or colors which are very soft and pink. Also, what else I'm getting for this particular pile? Yes, the angel, see, if you can see, both of them, they are wearing crown. Okay, so I feel that some of you would be dealing with events. Okay, it can be wedding events, it can be photography, anything which is creative is what I'm getting. Okay, for this particular group. So what else? Yes, you have you need to understand one thing, that you are precious. Okay, you are really, really precious, because it is not easy to choose a life purpose, okay, which is love, because the lessons are a little bit harder than the others when your life purpose is love. Okay, also I feel over here, what else I'm getting for this particular pile is that, since you are somebody who is a little bit softer, people take advantage of you. So you need to stop, you need to make people understand that they cannot take advantage of you. Also, since you are a creative person, okay, you get very clear visions, unless and until the third eye is blocked, because of some image that you saw, or some memory of yours which has kind of blocked your third eye. If your third eye is not blocked, you are extremely clairvoyant. You get messages via visions. Okay, you would be having very clear dreams. Okay, at times you see future in your dreams, is what I'm also getting. Okay, so Archangel Michael is with you guys. Okay, because he is protecting you, definitely. All right, and you love, as I said before also, you love flowers, and you love everything which is pastel, or which is beautiful art, music, creativity is what I'm getting for this particular batch. Okay, also some of you, your life purpose involves working with children. Okay, that is also I'm getting, because how the heart and the love is. Okay, so the theme of this particular group is definitely love. I'm also getting security, army, because they have love for the nation. Anything which is creative, like music, what else? Flowers also I'm getting pretty strongly. Working with children, event management, wedding planning, photography. Yeah, that's what I'm getting for this particular pile. Now let's see what the angel numbers are telling you. Okay, so let's pick an angel number. Okay, oh, you guys got 4 and 1. Okay, can you see this, guys? So the angels are telling you that, they are with you. There are millions of angels with you, supporting you. Okay, however, you need to think positive. You need to understand you're very good at manifesting things. Okay, so you need to manifest things in your life. You need to be positive. All right, also since you have a lot of sun energy, okay, I feel that you need to make use of that enthusiasm that you have, that passion that you have. Okay, so group 3, this was your reading. If you liked your reading, do write in the comment section what you resonated with. Please understand this is a general reading, so you may whatever you resonate with, take it. Whatever you do not resonate with, leave it. All right, and also I hope this reading helped. Or if you want me to do a reading on a particular topic, do write it in the comment section, and I will definitely do it. And stay safe, guys, and do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. This is Sheila Sapin Matre. Have a great day ahead.